the question comes down to how much water do you want in your wall cavity?
Yep.
Now the conversation changes. Now the conversation completely changes, and they're like, I thought we were just talking about perm rates. Right. Well, based on the perm rate, how much water do you want in your wall cavity?
Yep.
And when you think about it that way, I think it was at one perm equates out to like, I think 32 ounces of water in a wall cavity.
That's a lot of
I
water.
have to look at the numbers. I got to pull my chart. Yeah. So when you go, how much? And then you equate it by how many rooms you have in a hotel. And you apply that by, let's say 100 rooms. You're looking at gallons of water in a wall cavity.
Yep.
And not to, when we get into it, in the class, that is the reason why Encore failed. I told you that the perm rate was 3. And
a lot of water.